everyone, today I'm going to create one look with Delancey Dolphin 9 Color Steel Eyeshadow Palette. This is amazing. It has these 9 shades in this, and I'm going to use it today in front of you, and I'll create a beautiful look using these colors. They have matte, shimmer both in it. As you can see, these are shimmers and these are matte, and the pigment is really amazing, guys. It doesn't fall out. I will do in front of you and you will see it. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to use a light color from the same Delancey palette to make a base for my eye, and here it is. It's looking so good. This light blue color is amazing. Blend it properly. I'm taking a dark color for the ends of the eye to make it more sharp and to stretch out little bit so that will look snatched. Blending is the game. Blend as much as you can. As you can see, I'm blending with the small pencil brush. It really helps you to create that snatched look. Blend, blend, blend to make it a finished eye look. Now I'm taking shimmer from the same palette with the flat brush and giving on the front side of the eye. And as you can see, I have created a design with the dark shade only inside, and it's looking beautiful. Blending is the game for every tone. Whatever you do on your eyes, that create amazing eye look. So here is the final look, guys. Added blue liner and silver liner on areas, as you can see, and below also I have used the same shades from the same Delancey palette. I am loving it. आपको कैसी लगी ये look? Comment section में ज़रूर बताएं. For such amazing videos, don't forget to follow. Bye.